In this video, I will show you how to use Remix with Hardhat and Foundry. The first step is to connect Remix to our local file system. This is a Hardhat project on our local file system. Let's start Remixd in this folder. Next, in Remixd, let's open the hamburger menu and click on Connect to Local File System. Now we can see our project in Remix. Next, let's compile the project. First, let's open the smart contract to compile. Then let's go to the compile menu. We will use the compile with Hardhat option. This option will use the configuration file of Hardhat where you can specify the compiler version. Let's do the compilation, and in your local file system, you can see that the compilation artifacts were created. Next, we are going to deploy to a Hardhat network via Remix. First, let's start a Hardhat network with this command. Next, in Remix, let's go to the Deploy tab. In the Environment dropdown, let's select the Hardhat provider. This will connect to our Hardhat network. The addresses that you see here are the addresses provided by the Hardhat network. Let's click on Deploy. And now, if you look in your Hardhat terminal, you will see the deployment transaction. Next, I will show you how to compile in Hardhat and then deploy from Remix. For that, let's start from scratch. First, we clear the deploy smart contract. Then in the File Explorer, we delete the compilation artifacts of Remix. After, let's go to our terminal. And we are going to compile with Hardhat. Now, let's go back in Remix. Let's go to the Deploy tab. And here we see the Compile by Hardhat label above the contract. We click on Deploy and we see our contract below. Next, I will show you how to use console log. In the code editor, let's import the console log library from Hardhat. Let's print this variable and let's recompile the contract. Next, let's redeploy the contract. We go to the Deploy tab, we choose the Remix VM, we click on Deploy, we execute the function where the console log is executed, and we can see the output in the Remix terminal. It's also possible to use Foundry with Remix. The workflow is exactly the same. There's just a small difference in the compilation. In the Solidity compiler, in the Advanced Configuration, you will have to select the Use Configuration File option. Remix will add a remapping key to this file. Copy over your remappings from Foundry, if any. Now you know how to use Hardhat and Foundry with Remix. That's it for this video.